This 10-question IQ test is designed for the top 2.2%, those with a score of 130 or higher. You'll get 30 seconds per puzzle, all in multiple choice. Good luck. Complete the number sequence. 2, 6, 12, 36, 72, 216. The answer is B, 432. The sequence uses two alternating rules. Rule 1 is multiplication by 3, and Rule 2 is multiplication by 2. The sequence alternates. Times 3, times 2. The progression is 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 times 3 equals 36. 36 times 2 equals 72. 72 times 3 equals 216. 216 times 2 equals 432. Such double operation sequences are essential for distinguishing higher numerical aptitude. Triangle is to hexagon as square is to which polygon? The answer is A, octagon. A triangle has 3 sides, and a hexagon has 6 sides. This shows the number of sides doubled, going from 3 to 6. A square has 4 sides. Doubling 4 gives 8 sides, and the 8-sided polygon is called an octagon. For reference, a decagon has 10 sides, a dodecagon has 12 sides, and an enneagon has 9 sides. Imagine a capital letter F is drawn on a standard coordinate grid. The top horizontal bar of the F is pointing to the right. If you first reflect this letter F across the y-axis, and then you reflect the resulting shape across the x-axis, which of the following best describes the final orientation of the letter F? The answer is C. It is rotated 180 degrees, appearing completely upside down and backward. Performing a reflection across the x-axis, followed by a reflection across the y-axis, or vice versa, is mathematically equivalent to a single 180-degree rotation around the origin point. The combined transformation flips the letter both horizontally and vertically. A digital clock displays a time in 24-hour format, HHMM. The time shown is constrained by 2 distinct immediate conditions. Numeric constraint, the hour digits, HH, and the minute digits, MM, must, when treated as separate 2-digit numbers, both be perfect prime numbers. Constraint. The sum of the 2 digits in the hour position must be less than the sum of the 2 digits in the minute position. Which of the following times is a valid display that satisfies both of these conditions simultaneously? The answer is D, 2317. The time, 2317, is the correct answer because it is the only option that satisfies both of the 2 rules. Numerically, 23 and 17 are both prime numbers, fulfilling the first constraint. Positionally, the sum of the hour digits, 5, 2 plus 3, is less than the sum of the minute digits, 8, 1 plus 7, satisfying the second constraint. Complete the number sequence, 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, 13, 24. The answer is B, 44. This is a recursive addition series requiring the addition of the previous three terms to derive the next term, a Fibonacci-like sequence. The progression is 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7, 2 plus 4 plus 7 equals 13, 4 plus 7 plus 13 equals 24. Therefore, the final step is 7 plus 13 plus 24, which equals 44. If 17 triangle 5 equals 10 and 23 triangle 11 equals 10, then what does 35 triangle 13 equal to? The answer is D, 12. This requires identifying a non-obvious arithmetic function. The rule for the operation triangle is number 1 plus number 2 minus number 1's first digit times 12. For the example, 17 triangle 5, 17 plus 5 minus 1 times 12 equals 22 minus 12, which equals 10. Complete the number sequence, 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, 13, 24. The answer is B, 44. This is a recursive addition series requiring the addition of the previous three terms to derive the next term, a Fibonacci-like sequence. The progression is 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7, 2 plus 4 plus 7 equals 13, 4 plus 7 plus 13 equals 24. Therefore, the final step is 7 plus 13 plus 24, which equals 44. If dog is coded as 714 and cat is coded as 619, what is the code for God? The answer is B, 417. This puzzle uses a complex fixed substitution cipher. By comparing the codes for D, O, G, and CAT, we deduce the following. D equals 7, O equals 1, G equals 4, C equals 6, A equals 1, and T equals 9. We see that the letter O and the letter A share the value 1. Applying these substitutions to the word G-O-D, G is 4, O is 1, D is 7. This yields the final code 417. In a group of three people, A, B, C, one always lies, one always tells the truth, and one alternates. If A says B is the liar, and B says C is the truth teller, what is C? The answer is C, the alternator. Alternator refers to the person who alternates between telling the truth and telling a lie. We must test the possibility that A is the truth teller. which means B is the liar and C is the alternator. If B is the liar, their statement, C is the truth teller, must be false. Since C is the alternator, B's statement is indeed false. The roles are consistent in this scenario, meaning C is the alternator. If today is Saturday, and X is 40 days from now, and Y is 15 days before X, what day is Y? The answer is B, Wednesday. First, calculate the day, X. 40 days is 5 full weeks and 5 extra days. 40 divided by 7 equals 5, with a remainder of 5. 5 days after Saturday is Thursday. Next, calculate day Y. 15 days is 2 full weeks and 1 extra day. 15 divided by 7 equals 2, with a remainder of 1. Therefore, day Y is 1 day before Thursday, which is Wednesday. This Level 3 test was engineered to be virtually impossible for 97% of the population. If your score falls between 6 and 8, you demonstrated superior cognitive ability, placing you well above average. But if you achieved 9 correct answers or higher, you have officially confirmed your placement in the intellectual elite, and your estimated IQ is 130 or more. Share your final score in the comments section below and challenge someone you believe is a genuine genius to beat you. Like this video and subscribe for more.